So another cold day in Finland, and if you're anything like me back in the day, you're probably not really sure how to heat your car, and there's no real English instructions available. We're going to take a look at how to use the Finnish electric timer outlet for your vehicle. So first of all, let's open this up, and you'll find a lot of confusing dials at first. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start by unplugging everything and testing that my socket works by cutting power to them. So first I'm unplugging everything. And then, so this indicates that my right socket is on. I'm pressing the test button to make sure in case of an electrical surge, it's not gonna shut down or do anything crazy. Then I'm turning on the right side back for my power. So I'm turning it off, putting it on, putting the main power back on. My right socket should now be fully operational and have power going into it. For the socket you have on, you need to locate the small arrow and gray dot. I'm using the right socket here. It can be placed randomly on all four corners. What you have to do is synchronize the current time due to daylight savings to your arrow. So for this specific demonstration, let's pretend it's 1600. I'm simply rotating the dial until the time matches up with the arrow. Now the small arrow is synchronized to the current time, 1600. Now if I want to turn my block heater on straight away, I align the green part by pushing in the black outer circle into the dial and rotating it. After I've passed the mark, I'm going to force it into place back, and you'll hear a click, which is the indicator that it's starting. Now if we head on over to the car, the block heater and interior heater should be working. I'm going to check this by seeing that my interior heater is on. So I'm plugging the main cord back in and locking the box. And as we can see here, it's fully operational. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Have a nice day.